Morning.
Hi!
Oh, naligaw ka.
Dito talaga ako pupunta. Dito talaga guys. So. Ito, my new family, Decathlon. Yes! Woo! Yes! Power! Yes! Yay! My new family! My new family!
Okay.
My new family!
Before we do our laps, we have an icebreaker to do. This is just some questions. We'll give you information about your Decathlon. Okay? Can we lower? Can we lower the music? Yeah, lower. Okay.
Hi!
Okay, first question. Pinakamabilis na makapagtaas ng kamay, siya ang unang makakasagot.
Ako, hindi ko alam yan.
Where did Decathlon originated from? Ready?
Hula lang.
Okay.
Australia.
No.
Oh, galing kasi ako.
Todos? Okay. Kalan? France?
Yay!
Decathlon originated from Lille, France. Okay?
Hoy!
Okay.
Yun o.
Meron ka.
Galing.
Tuwalya.
Panyo.
Tuwalya ang iyong napanalunan. For the second question, ready? What is the running brand of Decathlon? Ready? One. Wala pa. Ready?
Ay, sorry.
1, 2, go!
Keep run.
Very good.
Yeah! Oh! Yeah, my new family! Ah! Ah! Thank you! Thank you!
Okay, last question. Okay. Ito, medyo feeling ko, Decathlon teammates lang. Ready ba lahat? Ready? 1, 2, go! Teammate? No, first. Sige. Teka.
Oh!
Dapat yung tatlo lang.
Hula lang.
Ulit. Ready? 1,
Yung customer yan.
customer lang. 1, 2, go!
Wala nagturo sa akin 2 years?
Mali!
1 year?
Okay. Next, okay. Isa pa ha. Kayong dalawang makakasagot na lang. Ready? Kahit ano lang. Just take a guess.
90.
Ayun. Okay. Tama. Ayan. So, Decathlon Philippines is already 9 years old.
Ganun ba? Hindi ko alam eh.
Okay.
Now I know.
For that, since tapos ang ating icebreaker, are we ready to do some warm-ups? Okay? And for our warm-ups, let me call on my friend, brother, Jolo. Thank you very much.
Bali, parang 2 days na namin pinag-usapan ni Jolo saan tayo tatakbo. Wala kaming makuha, pero ito na lang. Mula dito, papunta tayo doon. Tapos, U-turn lang tayo. Magiging ruta natin pabalik sa loob. Gilid ng dagat mismo. So hanggang doon ulit sa dulo, pabalik dito, it's mga more or less 3 kilometers. Tingin ko 2 loop, makaka 40 minutes na tayo. No? So dito lang ulit tayo manlilibre si Jolo sa Irish Potato.
Yes!
Irish potato.
Lodi!
Thank you, IC!
Thank you!
So, ayun, mauna ba yung mabilis, yung 6:30? Kasi first time ko rin sasama sa running club.
Yan!
Kuya Francis pala guys.
Kuya Francis Magalona, what's up?
Ay, may dagdag isa. Say hi to Aaron.
Hey!
Hello, Aaron!
Hello. 6:30 sa
6:30.
Apat ka kayo.
Mikey sa gitna ka na lang. 7.
Let's go, Michael.
Tsaka sweeper. Guys, walang may iwan ha. Walang may iwan.
Samahin mo na kami sa
Start nyo na yung mga watchers. Tumaban nyo.
Yes. Wala
Ayun na guys, mag-start na kami. Decathlon, MOA, Pasay.
Ready?
Let's go!
Keep showing up! Decathlon, di MOA!
Oh my Lord! Mga intro ka. Uy, 7. Ano na nga?
Yes,
Picture tayo before, after?
Yes, yes.
yes!
This is me before the holy nila.
Thank you Lord. Thank you Decathlon, MOA.
Yours naman.
Akin na ako mag-picture. Hindi, selfie. Go.
Kita lang.
Yeah, yeah.
See you on the next camera. Naman na agad?
Guys. Yan.
Ano naman pala di airdrop ko sa'yo ba? See you on the next camera!
Kabali ako. Uy, Pukari! Nice one! Decathlon! Woo! Wow! Saan pa kayo? Oh, di ba? Thank you. Okay.
Ito, Deco.
Woo! Thank you. Oh, di ba?
Thank you.
Don't judge me. Okay, sige. Move forward. We're gonna sit down in a bit.
Yun.
Okay, switch. I started with the bottom.
for fixing our Maganda to.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Sabi ko pa naman sana sa akin na lang.
Maraming salamat ulit sa lahat.
Thank you. Thank you.
May gift card pa yung pamimigay.
Thank you.
First timers.
First time.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so wait na. So first may freebie naman kayo.
Uy, ang dami. Salamat po. Salamat.
Meron ka na, no? Meron na po kayo.
The best. The best.
Ito naman yung Decathlon Pasay.
Decathlon Pasay. The best.
So, yung part.
Anong card? Yung Starbucks card.
First timers.
Ano yan?
Ako, first time.
Oh.
Second time mo na, no? Nasa card. Nadala mo na.
Oh.
Next time na lang is...
First time. Ako na lang pala ang wala. Ako na lang.
Okay ba, no?
Ayun! Thank you!
Hold to eh. Pwede mo
Oh.
isa.
Yun! Oh my
Yan
God.
yung talent niya, yung cup na yun.
Salamat, salamat. Thank you po, thank you. Wow! Oh, mga first time may pasay. Ay, may pasay. May libreng socks.
Atla.
Daming budget. Mag-isip-isip na kayo, mga friends, ha? Mga hindi pa nakakapunta dito. Oh, nagpiplay.
Generosity is the
Oh, ako, lilipat na ako, bro.
Next week, first time ko ulit.
Oh, salamat.
Nag-join kayo. Next week ulit.
Thank you!
Ipapastamp lang natin yung ano. Yan natin is July 31. So hopefully makakuha na tayo ng mas magandang
venue.
venue and syempre mas dadari pa na tayo.
Yes!
Fight lang kayo, guys.
Mabait lang.
Huwag mo na rin. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you! Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Coming ka ba?
Thank you so much, Francis.
Thank you.
Thank you po, thank you ha.
Bye-bye.
Mamimiss ko kayo.
Mamimiss ko kayo.
Mamimiss ko kayong lahat.